In this video we are going to talk about how to improve mental health, food for your brain. So before starting this video, like this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. When designing a healthy diet, it's typical to prioritize foods that promote weight loss. While calorie restriction is critical for overall health, it's also critical to understand how food choices affect the brain. By incorporating many of the foods on this list into your diet, you'll not only improve your waistline, but you'll also boost your brain function, and potentially aid in the fight against cognitive illnesses. Number 1. Salmon. While seafood is a healthy choice in general, salmon is at the top of the list. It is a fatty fish, abundant in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been related to a decrease in mental diseases such as depression. Omega-3 fatty acids have also been demonstrated to improve learning and memory. Salmon also contains a high concentration of naturally occurring vitamin D, which is frequently added to foods and has been associated to decreased incidence of depression. Tuna, mackerel, and herring are also high in omega-3 fatty acids. Number 2. Chicken. Chicken, like turkey, is an excellent source of lean protein, and is high in the amino acid tryptophan. Though it is frequently associated with post-Thanksgiving naps, this drug does not actually knock you out, as urban legends have it. However, it does aid in the production of serotonin, which is necessary for your brain to manage your mood, battle depression, and retain strong memory. Number 3. Whole grains. Numerous foods, such as beans, soy, oats, and wild rice, come into this category. While your body and brain both rely on carbohydrates for energy, we frequently ingest simple carbohydrates, resulting in blood sugar rises. Whole grain foods contain complex carbs, which cause glucose to be created more slowly and consistently, providing a more even and consistent source of energy. Additionally, whole grains aid in the absorption of tryptophan by the brain, which means that when combined with foods, like chicken and turkey, you can further alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety while enhancing cognitive performance. Number 4. Avocados. Avocados are high in vitamin K and folate, two nutrients that help protect the brain from stroke. Additionally, they improve your memory and focus. Avocados also contain a high concentration of lutein, which has been linked to better brain function in studies. Number 5. Spinach. Spinach and other leafy greens supply a healthy dose of folic acid to the brain, which has been demonstrated to be an effective antidepressant. Additionally, it aids in the fight against sleeplessness, which is strongly associated with cognitive deficits and can help prevent dementia in older persons. Number 6. Yogurt. Probiotics are abundant in yogurt and other goods containing live cultures. Probiotics, which are frequently associated with gut health, have been demonstrated to aid in the reduction of stress and anxiety. Additionally, yogurt contains potassium and magnesium, which aid in the delivery of oxygen to the brain, enhancing its ability to function. Number 7. Nuts. As is the case with salmon, nuts are a wonderful source of omega-3 fatty acids, which aid in the fight against depression. Cashews, for example, contain magnesium and aid in the delivery of oxygen to the brain. Almonds contain a chemical called phenylalanine, which has been found to aid the brain in producing dopamine and other mood-enhancing neurotransmitters. Phenylalanine has also been associated with a reduction in Parkinson's disease symptoms. Number 8. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil made a comeback in recent years, as a component of healthful Mediterranean-style diets. This type of oil contains polyphenols, which aid in the elimination of proteins associated with Alzheimer's disease. Additionally, it can aid in the improvement of learning and memory. However, exercise caution while purchasing olive oil. Numerous companies thicken their product with vegetable or seed oils, greatly diminishing its brain health benefits. Conduct an online search for brands that have been tested to verify they contain just pure olive oil. Number 9. Tomatoes. Lycopene, the pigment that gives tomatoes their red tint, is categorized as an all-around healthy phytonutrient. Among the several health benefits it gives is assistance in the battle against brain disorders. It has been demonstrated to prevent the start and progression of Alzheimer's disease by repairing damaged cells. Additionally, it has been demonstrated that lycopene aids with memory, attention, logic, and focus. Number 10. Dark chocolate. Could this be the most exciting piece of news on the list? Dark chocolate is distinguished by its high cocoa content, which is absent in milk chocolate. And the darker the better, at least 85% chocolate is optimal. Dark chocolate is abundant in flavonoids, which are a form of antioxidant. It has been demonstrated to improve attention and memory, improve mood, and aid in the fight against cognitive decline in older persons. Just keep in mind that chocolate should be enjoyed in moderation. Consider adding one or more of them to your grocery list the next time you go shopping. Along with giving overall health benefits, you'll be delivering an exceptional source of nutrients for your brain. Just as there is no miracle drug that can prevent cognitive decline, there is no one-size-fits-all brain food that can guarantee a bright mind as you age. Nutritionists underline that the most critical technique is to maintain a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. Consume protein from plants and fish, and opt for healthy fats such as olive or canola oil over saturated fats. According to research, the best brain foods are those that also protect your heart and blood vessels, such as the following. Vegetables that are green and leafy. Leafy greens such as kale, spinach, collards, and broccoli are high in vitamin K, lutein, folate and beta-carotene, all of which are beneficial for the brain. These plant-based diets may help delay cognitive decline, according to research. Fish that are fatty. Fatty fish are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial unsaturated fats that have been associated with decreased blood levels of beta-amyloid, the protein that forms harmful clumps in the brains of persons with Alzheimer's disease. Consume fish at least twice a week, but select mercury-free kinds such as salmon, cod, canned light tuna, and pollock. If you're not a lover of fish, consult your physician about taking an omega-3 supplement, or choose terrestrial omega-3 sources such as flax seeds, avocados, or walnuts. Berries. Flavonoids, the natural plant pigments that give berries their beautiful hues, have also been shown to aid with memory enhancement, according to study. According to a study conducted at Harvard's Brigham and Women's Hospital, women who ingested at least 2 servings of strawberries and blueberries per week slowed memory impairment by up to 2.5 years. Caffeine and tea. Caffeine in your daily cup of coffee or tea may provide more than a temporary boost in concentration. According to a 2014 study published in the Journal of Nutrition, participants who consumed more coffee performed better on mental function tests. According to recent research, caffeine may also aid in the consolidation of new memories. Participants were asked to see a sequence of photographs and then consume either a placebo or a 200 mg caffeine tablet, according to researchers at Johns Hopkins University. The following day, more members of the caffeine group correctly identified the photographs. Walnuts. Nuts are a fantastic source of protein and healthy fats, and one specific variety of nut may also help with memory. A 2015 UCLA study found that increasing walnut eating resulted in increased cognitive test scores. Walnuts are abundant in alpha-linolenic acid, an omega-3 fatty acid, ALA. ALA and other omega-3 fatty acid-rich diets have been associated with decreased blood pressure and cleaner arteries. This is beneficial for both the heart and the brain. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.